Hello everyone, welcome to today live streaming. And this, you hear different, and you hear it, and the better quality, and we change to the USB microphone and let you hear the different, guys. And I believe that you know today what topic today we will cover. And welcome to our live streaming. And today we'll cover this USB microphone. And today we are not talking about the very expensive microphone. We talk about the affordable, and this is a very affordable microphone. And it's not expensive, but we are not compared to the expensive microphone, branded microphone. And today we just talk about just a affordable microphone. And then, as you know, what you pay, what you get. Of course, you have a good microphone, the expensive microphone, branded microphone, your sound, and then your hissings, sound, everything is more clear because of the sensitivity and for the microphone, the cardioid microphone. And then this is the cardioid microphone, and of course the condenser, they have many types of the polar pattern. Okay, if you want to know about the polar pattern, you just Google and search. You will understand that the microphone, they have a bunch of the pattern, the polar pattern. Okay, and then this is some microphone they have a USB, some microphone they have like the XLR. And today we are just talking about the simple setup for the online setting, online broadcasting, or you want to play games, or you want a Zoom meeting for your online class, music class, and then you can fully using this microphone. And this microphone, the frequency response is between 20 Hz and to 20k Hz microphone. And then they have a frequency, the frequency response is quite and today I'm not to explain too much, and you can go ahead and Google search it out. Compared to the microphone that you're using, or you're using the computer internal microphone, there are a bunch of differences, a lot of difference, seriously. And then like the first I'm already tried with a microphone, the headset microphone, the earphone microphone, and earphone with a microphone like your mobile phone, the type of the microphone, right? And then this is the different I want to show today, and let you more understanding why the USB microphone is very important. Of course, you can using the tripod to put here in front of your face or anywhere, or you can put a mic stand as well. You can using any customized, but the microphone is come with the tripod, and then you can just like lock into the tripod, and then you just put on the tabletop, then you can plug USB plug, and you're ready to go. And go to your control panel, and then you search on the sound here, and then just check for the recording. And then this is your USB audio device, which is your microphone, USB microphone. It's so easy to set up, and just plug and play. And later on I will show you some my already record footage, and then you will have a look when I record with guitars, piano, drums, and then with this microphone and with the earphone microphone. Okay, and let's go. We'll show you some footage. Okay, so now I'm using this microphone, this earphone with a microphone, just using like your Apple earphone, any earphone you can use, and just have a listen the sound quality of this microphone and earphone. Okay, let's change to the USB microphone and have a look. Okay, so this is with this USB microphone to record the guitar and my voice. Assuming now I'm do the online classes, right? So I'm using this microphone and place just nearby my microphone and with my guitars, nearby my guitars and my voice. I'm just talking here. Okay, so let's hear about the acoustic guitar with a microphone. Okay, so this is with a microphone. Alright, so now I'm using this ear microphone with earphone, okay, the mobile phone microphone, and we test the keyboard sounds with this microphone. Okay, so now we change to the USB microphone and have a try. Alright, so now we change to this USB microphone, this microphone, and then we just simply put somewhere else, like here, just a speaker, and today I'm using the keyboard, this keyboard, to demonstrate. And then you can put somewhere else like here, so no problem. Of course, if you want to put some microphone stand in front of your face, it's also no problem at all. So now we're just like trying to play piano with this USB microphone, play keyboard with this USB microphone. So you listen just now. You of course you will listen to like the shaky sounds, right? And because of I put just top on the keyboard, and then when you just a little bit touch, it will affect the USB microphone. And we recommend if you're using a keyboard or piano, you put the mic stand. For example, I'm not put a mic. I don't have a mic stand just right now. I just put on here, just simple, and then you won't be able to hear the shaky sound. Okay, just put on my leg there. Okay. Alright, so this is the demonstration of the USB microphone. Alright, just so now I have to test with this microphone, then the ear microphone with mic and the drums sounds quality. Okay. Okay, so now with this USB microphone and just plug to the computers, and then like this, the USB microphone normally they have the volume indicator. So for drumming, we'll recommend to you slow down the volume and check the volume. Now my volume is on the around 2 o'clock side. So after that, if you want to play drums, you can put somewhere else. They have a different tone. And today I'm just very simple. I'm using this drum pad, and then I just put in front of the hi-hat and the snare drums, and then the bottom of the cymbal, and then I'm slow down the volume, and then we are trying to get. Of course, you can put anywhere. They have a different sounds quality. Okay, so I just put a simple and just slow down the volume. Roughly around we turn until the 10 o'clock area, and I'll put on here. Okay, so we are just like normal, and we put some like on the bottom, on the floor. They have some different sound setup. Just we try and put on the floor, just on the back. And here we go. Okay, I turn back the volume up and some different sound source, right? Okay. And hope you guys enjoy these live streamings, and we today using this microphone. That's it. Yes, this microphone. Okay, and then if you wish to know more about the microphone, then welcome your comment down below and let me know, and then I will share with you this microphone. Okay, it's not expensive, it's very simple and it's very affordable price, and then I can show you the link, and then I can introduce you to have this microphone. Okay, and hope you guys enjoy today's live streaming, and thank you for your support. Okay, see you next week. Bye.